Hey everybody, Photoman here with a new one. This is probably going to be my last video before I go away for the weekend. So I'm going to be over by Oyen and Alsace for a few days, getting video of the old radar dome from the Cold War days and things like that. So some pretty cool stuff coming up. This one is about Pumphouse number 2 that is still standing in Calgary. Here's the down low on this one. Built in 1913, the Bow River Pumphouse number 2 is an industrial vernacular style red brick building. It is located on the south bank of the Bow River, west of downtown Calgary, in the city's Sun Alta neighborhood. The hipped roof building is situated amidst a park-like landscape and approached by an alley of mature and historic poplars. Since 1977, the building has functioned as the Pumphouse Theatre. The property was protected as a provincial registered historic resource in 1975 and declared a Canadian Water Landmark by the American Waterworks Association in 1980. It was designated a municipal historic resource in 1996.